everybody, welcome to Nursing Talk Channels. Thank you for all the support and guidance and feedback you have given to me. Coming to UK was one of the biggest achievements in my life. It helped me with my career progression, financial stability, and also education of my kids. Why don't we help our family and friends who are qualified as nurses abroad to come to UK? What steps do they have to undergo? Today, I have got Unni, who is from Vasco Medicus, who is going to explain in detail how a registered nurse, who is registered abroad, can come to UK. What all steps she requires. Thank you very much, Unni, for all the help.
Hello everyone, my name is Unni. I am the Operational Director for Vasco Medics International in Manchester, UK. Sheena Biji and her Nursing Talk channel kindly invited us to share with you how to become a registered nurse in the UK. Those who wish to work as a registered nurse in the UK, I'm sure those people are already registered nurses in their prospective countries and they have some experience or without experience. That's not a problem. We would like to share with you the step-by-step process how you can become a registered nurse as fast as possible. There are 4 steps mainly we could actually identify. So you need to be a registered nurse in your own country or a country where you are registered. Secondly, you need to comply with the NMC and the Home Office. That means the Immigration Office for the UK. So the NMC means the Nursing and Midwifery Council, similar like the nursing councils you are registered in your prospective countries. And there are few requirements set by the NMC that you need a certain level of qualifications with the nursing registration in your prospective country, as well as English language requirements set by the NMC. We will go through with that one in detail in step-by-step process. Also, you need to complete the NMC registration process. Along with, you need to complete an exam called CBT, and we'll go through with that one in detail in a bit. And also, once you reached in the UK, you need to complete an exam called OSCE, Objective Structured Clinical Examination. So we will, in this video, we would like to share these steps in detail, as well as how we as a company can help you to become a registered nurse in the UK as well. So the first thing, you need to be a registered nurse in your country or the country where you are registered. So those qualifications normally, general nursing and midwifery, 3.5 years experience, 3.5 years course, or 4 years of BSc nursing. Once you have completed that, with or without experience, definitely you can register with the NMC UK nowadays. NMC is not strict on registering with the Nursing Council with experience. So you can register without experience as well, provided you meet the other regulatory requirements such as English language requirements and the CBT, OSCE, etc. So the English language requirements, if you do take into consideration, you have got 2 exams nowadays you can write to be eligible to become a registered, to fulfill the requirements for the NMC, which are IELTS, International English Language Testing System, and OET, Occupational English Test. So for the IELTS, in academic version, you need to have at least 6.5 for the writing, and rest of the modules you need to have 7, overall 7 band. For the OET, you need to have C+ for writing and B for remaining modules. Once you have secured this score, you can actually start the process to register with the NMC, which is the Nursing Midwifery Council UK. Once you have completed the first stage, they will send you a notification or approval to write the test called CBT, which is a computer-based test. Once you have successfully completed that test, you can actually continue with the remaining process and attend your interviews. Attend your interviews is not a matter. We can actually arrange that anytime once you completed your English language test. Depends on the requirements set by the employer, which are a few different categories. We'll explain that in a detail. So once you have completed the CBT stage, you can go ahead with the interview. And if you have already completed the interview in the previous stages, any of the previous stages mentioned earlier, so you can actually submit all your required documents set by the employer to the employer to process their COS, Certificate of Sponsorship. So Certificate of Sponsorship used to call the work permit a long time before. Once you have in possession of the Certificate of Sponsorship, you can actually submit those documents with your nearest VFS, Visa Facilitating Service Center, or the British Consulate or the British High Commission in your country. So once you have submitted, normally within 15 working days, you will get your visa through. Once you reach in the UK, you will get trained in practically how to work as a registered nurse in the UK in a supernumerary position, as well as you will get theory knowledge to pass your OSCE, which is Objective Structured Clinical Examination. Once you have completed your OSCE, you will get the registration from the Nursing and Midwifery Council, which is called PIN number in the UK. So you can work as a registered nurse from there. So we as a company, we can assist you in any of these above 4 stages. Once you are, provided you are a registered nurse in your country or prospective countries, wherever you are, we can actually assist you to become fully qualified with your English language requirements set by the NMC, that is IELTS or OET. If you, wherever you are, that's not a problem. We have got a dedicated team of tutors who can actually assist you online. And for the next stage NMC registrations, we can assist you for that as well. Also, we can assist you to complete the requirements set by the NMC, which is the CBT next. We can get you trained for that and get past that one. And also, we will assist you in each and every stages of your process until you reach in the UK and further. So we will assist you to train and support you with the OSCE training. We have got our own team in the UK, which includes the university professors from different universities. We can assist you with that one to successfully complete your OSCE if in case you need an extra support rather than your employer provides. And also we are supporting a few of our employers who we recruit to get you trained with your OSCE practical as well as the theory part of the same. And the one thing we can actually say to you that, provided you are dedicated and honest to yourself at least, then definitely it's not a big thing. Definitely you could become a registered nurse in a matter of 6 to 8 months. It's from the candidate's experience we have actually trained and placed in the UK successfully. So I hope I have covered everything and you got a clear idea about how to become a registered nurse in the UK. We will come back to you with a different topic next time. So thanks again to Sheena, Biji and Nursing Talk channel. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. Bye.
I also would like to tell you that you don't have to pay a single penny to any of the agencies who are planning to bring nurses to UK, because the trust has already paid money to them. If you want to get in touch with Umi or the Vasco Medicals, their details will be put down in the description box. Or if you want to know more about from me, you can directly get in contact with me. Thank you very much.